Okay, let's go over the reading section for Unit 1. We're talking about plants, and very interesting, we eat flowers. But we will find out we don't just eat flowers, we also eat flowers. There are many parts of the plant we eat. Let's look. Let's begin. First sentence, do you like to eat plants? Do you like to eat plants? Of course you do. We eat plants every day. Plants are sometimes delicious and they make our bodies strong, right? So we should eat plants every day. Do you like to eat plants? Yeah, I hope so. The plant parts. We don't eat all the plant, we eat parts. The plant parts we eat are vegetables. The plant parts we eat are vegetables. Vegetables, of course, are the parts of the plant that don't have seeds. No seeds. So the roots, maybe the stem, maybe the flowers, those are all vegetables. The parts we eat are vegetables. Plants have many different parts. Of course, we learn the words. Many different parts. Roots, stem, flowers, leaves, seeds. Wow! Many different parts. We use all these parts for food. Yeah, we use all of those different parts sometimes for food, right? We use all these parts for food. Wow! In the grocery store, you can buy plants. You can use those plants for food. We use all these parts for food. Let's do it one more time. Do you like to eat plants? The plant parts we eat are vegetables. Plants have many different parts. We use all these parts for food. So we eat plants, many types of plants, for food. We call them vegetables. Okay. Do you like to eat carrots? We talked about carrots, 당근, right? Do you like to eat carrots? I hope so. They're good for your eyes. Carrots are vegetables, right? We talked about vegetables. There are no seeds in a carrot, so a carrot is a vegetable. They come from carrot plants. Carrots. Carrots come from carrot plants. This is a carrot plant. We don't eat the top part, right? We just eat the bottom part. But the whole part is a carrot plant. Carrots come from carrot plants. The part we eat is the root. It's the root. A carrot root is very big, right? It's the biggest part of the carrot plant. So the part we eat is the root. Roots grow down in the dirt, underground. So roots grow, they get bigger underground, in the dirt. Okay, let's do it one more time. Do you like to eat carrots? Carrots are vegetables. They come from carrot plants. The part we eat is the root. Roots grow down in the dirt. So we can see here that we eat many different parts of the plant. The carrot is the root. So some plants, we eat the roots. For example, carrots. Let's move on. Now, we have another type of plant. Many people like to eat potatoes. Many people, all over the world, everywhere, people like to eat potatoes. Potatoes are everywhere, right? Many people like to eat potatoes. People? Potatoes. Potatoes are a very tasty vegetable. Not people. Ugh, you don't eat people. That's horrible. So they refer back to potatoes. Many people like to eat potatoes. Potatoes, are a very tasty vegetable. Tasty? 맛있어요. It's very tasty. It's delicious. I like to eat it. right? Potatoes are a very tasty vegetable. Potatoes are stems that we eat. So the potatoes are stems of the potato plant. Here's a potato plant. Potatoes are the stems of the plant. Stems help hold a plant up. So the potato helps hold the plant up. It's very strong, of course. Let's do one more time. Many people like to eat potatoes. They are a very tasty vegetable. Potatoes are stems that we eat. Stems help hold a plant up. So we can see before, carrots are roots. We eat roots. Here we have stems, potatoes. So we eat stems of other plants. For example, potatoes. Okay, another example. We eat the leaves, the flat green part of the plant. Many plants we eat the leaves. We eat the leaves of some plants, not all plants, but some plants. Leaves are flat and green, as we can see here. Do you like to eat lettuce? This is lettuce. Lettuce is the leaf of a lettuce plant. So the leaves are very big. In the case of the lettuce, we don't eat the roots, we don't eat the stem, we eat the leaves. So this is another type of plant. Let's do one more time. We eat the leaves of some plants. Leaves are flat and green. Do you like to eat lettuce? Lettuce is the leaf of a lettuce plant. Okay, so here's another example. We saw roots, carrot, stem, potato, leaf, lettuce. So many examples of the parts of plants we eat. Peas are vegetables too. Okay, this is the next part. Peas are vegetables too. They are the seeds. So now we're talking about seeds of a plant. They, of course, are peas here. Peas. Peas are the seeds of the pea plant. Wow, look at this picture. Really good looking peas. Ah, 맛있어요, right? Very nice. Okay? We do not, no we don't. We do not eat all of the pea plant. We don't eat this part. We don't eat the leaves. We don't eat the roots. We don't eat the stems. We don't eat all of the pea plant. We eat the seeds. Only eat the seeds. We don't eat all of the plant. We just eat the seeds. Seeds grow into plants. But if we eat them, they don't grow into plants. They go into our stomach, right? Okay, so let's do one more time. Peas are vegetables too. They are the seeds of the pea plants. We do not eat all of the pea plant. We eat the seeds. Seeds grow into plants. So here's another part of the plant that we eat. Sometimes we eat roots, carrots. Sometimes we eat stems, potatoes. Sometimes we eat leaves, lettuce. And sometimes we eat seeds, peas. So many different parts of plants that we eat. Okay, next part is flower. Do you like to look at flowers? Of course you do. Flowers are very pretty. In the spring, we can see many colors: yellow, green, blue, purple. Many different colors of flowers. We like to look at flowers. All flowers make seeds. All flowers make seeds. Flowers are pretty and they smell nice, right? When we smell a flower, it smells good. We smell the flower smells good. Some flowers taste good too. Some, not all, right? Don't go and eat a rose, blah, right? That's horrible, right? But some flowers taste good. The top parts of broccoli are flowers. Broccoli, what is broccoli? This is broccoli. You know broccoli. You see it in the supermarket. Your mother cooks it for meals. It's good, very good vegetable. But this is broccoli. The top parts of broccoli are flowers. This is the flower. That means we eat flowers. It's strange, right? That's why it says that means. That means it's surprising. Oh, I didn't know that. When we think, do we eat flowers? No, we don't eat flowers, blah, like roses, but sometimes we do. It's surprising. Wow. That we eat broccoli. Broccoli is a flower. That's surprising. So we eat flowers. Very interesting. And you can see many different parts of the plant that we eat. Let's do one more time. Do you like to look at flowers? All flowers make seeds. Flowers are pretty and smell nice. Some flowers taste good too. The top parts of broccoli are flowers. That means we eat flowers. So you see, we eat all parts of the plant. We eat the roots. We eat the stem. We eat the leaves. We eat the seeds. And we eat the flowers. Sometimes, not always. We don't eat all parts of all plants. We only eat different parts of different plants. And we can see many different examples. Okay, let's move on to our reading comprehension. How well do you remember the reading? In this case, we have a sentence and a blank, beep, right? And we have many choices. Here we have, this story is about beep, right? What is the beep? What is the blank? A, animals. B, silverware. Silverware, forks and spoons and knives. Silverware and chopsticks. Vegetables. C, vegetables. D, peanuts. You know peanuts. Peanuts are seeds, right? We eat peanuts often. They're good for us. Peanuts. So this story is about what? What are we talking about in this story? We're talking about the parts of plants that we eat. The roots, the stems, the leaves, the seeds, and the flowers. All those parts of the plant are called animals? No. Silverware? Forks, knives, and chopsticks? No. Vegetables? Vegetables. That's it, right? It's vegetables. Okay? Not peanuts, but vegetables. Vegetables are all the different parts of a plant. Many different parts of a plant. We're talking about vegetables. We're talking about roots. We're talking about stems. We're talking about leaves. We're talking about seeds. We're talking about flowers. These are all vegetables, right? We eat those. So this story is about vegetables. We talked about all of these things. They are all vegetables. Okay, number 2. Carrots are what? We're looking at the part of a plant. A, stems. B, leaves. C, seeds. And D, roots. So, what part of the plant is a carrot? Are carrots stems? Do they grow above the ground and they hold the plant up? No, they're not stems. Are carrots leaves? Are they flat and green? No, carrots are round and long and orange, so they are not leaves. Are carrots seeds? Does a carrot make a new plant? A new carrot plant? No, carrots are not seeds, right? Are carrots roots? Yes, we said carrots are roots. So carrots are roots of the plants. Okay. Number 3. Peas are the beep of the pea plant. So again, we're looking for a part of the plant. Here we have A, seeds, B, tops, C, roots, and D, blood. Blood. Blood, of course, is inside animals. It's the red liquid. If you cut yourself, red blood comes out. Not water, but it's like water. It's a liquid. Red blood comes out. Peas are the blood of the pea plant? Ugh, no, we know that right away. No. So peas are the roots of the pea plant? They're the roots, they grow underground? No, they're not the roots. Peas are the tops, the very top of the pea plant? No, peas are not the tops. Peas are the seeds of the pea plant. Yes, peas are the seeds. We talked about that, right? They're the part of the plant seeds that we eat. Okay. Let's take a look at our chart here. This is a chart of the plant. And this is what our reading passage and our unit is about. We can eat different parts of the plant. What are some examples? Here on the top we have seed. Seed. So what is an example of us eating the part of the plant that is a seed? What is an example? Of course, we talked about peas, right? We eat peas. Those are the seeds of a plant. Okay. What about flour? Do we eat flowers? Yes, on some plants we eat the flowers. For example, broccoli. Broccoli. We talked about that, right? So the broccoli is actually the flower of the plant. We eat that. Broccoli. What about the stem? Do we eat the stem of some plants? Yeah, sure. What was the example? Do you remember kamja? Kamja, of course, is potato. Potato. Potato is the stem of a plant. What about leaf? Do we eat leaves of plants? Yes, you bet. We do eat leaves of plants. What is an example of that? Our example is lettuce. Lettuce. Okay? Finally, we have roots. The roots of a plant. What do we eat? What's an example of a root that we eat? Very common. Tangun, right? Of course, it's carrot. Carrot. So let's review very quickly. Peas. We have peas, broccoli, potato, lettuce, carrot. And these are all different parts of the plant. The plant parts that we eat. So there are many different plants in our world. We don't eat all the plant. We eat parts of different plants, right? And we can see many different examples of the plants we eat. So, what are you having for dinner tonight? When you eat your dinner, think about the part of the plant you will eat. And hopefully it will be very delicious, right? So eat your dinner well, and I hope you eat some parts of the plants with your dinner. Remember, plant parts are very good for you, very healthy. So eat vegetables, eat a lot of vegetables. Okay, that wraps it up for this lesson. We'll see you guys next time. Take care.